What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Christine with Gauge Girl Training, an online meal planning and coaching service. In today's video, I'm going to answer the question, what is cholesterol? So let's get started. So when most people think of cholesterol, the idea of a clogged artery tends to come to mind, when the reality is cholesterol is very poorly understood. Cholesterol is not bad, and it is 100% required to sustain human life. Now, cholesterol is a naturally occurring substance, and it makes up about half of every single cell membrane in the body. So this is going to give the cells a more rigid structure, allowing them to be selectively permeable to nutrients and molecules. Now, if you did not have enough cholesterol in your diet, what would happen is your body would find a way to create it on its own because it is 100% necessary to sustain life. So for instance, if you are not eating enough cholesterol in your diet, your body is going to internally make enough to make sure that the cells have them. Likewise, if your body is eating too much fat, your body is going to internally create less cholesterol as a result and compensate accordingly. Now, cholesterol is created in the liver, and this substance is used to create something called bile, which helps with fat digestion. It also helps create hormones as well as vitamin D. Now, because fat and water do not mix, cholesterol molecules will not be able to transport themselves through the bloodstream, which is mostly water, without a little bit of help. Now, lipoproteins do just that. So they are responsible for taking the cholesterol molecules and allowing them to be transported in the blood because they allow that fat to be soluble in water. There are two main types of cholesterol. There is HDL, high density lipoproteins, and LDL, low density lipoproteins. So HDL, high density lipoprotein, this is the good cholesterol. The reason this is good is because it supports the removal of LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, from the body. It does this selectively by scavenging all of the LDL and preferentially pushing it to the liver. The liver is then able to eliminate the LDL levels and get it out of the body. Now, the other type of cholesterol you want to know about is LDL. Again, low density lipoprotein. This is the stuff that actually does clog your arteries. This is the stuff that you do need to be aware of. If you have buildup of LDL, low density lipoprotein, which is the bad cholesterol, it can cause plaque. This can clog your arteries. This can cause heart attacks. This can cause heart disease. So this is a brief overview and summary of what cholesterol is. If you have any questions, please comment below. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I'll see you in the next one.